to show y'all how I wrap my hair at night to keep the shape in it and to make sure it doesn't go flat in the morning. First things first, put your hair into sections. So I'm using my satin scrunchies, putting them in large sections around my part line, which is going to help to keep the back stretched out so it doesn't go as shrunken to my roots. And then I'm also going to do my bangs separately and wrap that scrunchie around twice, making sure that the ends are lifted up. And then I'm going to use some of my growth booster around my edges just to keep those sealed under my bonnets. And then I'm going to sleep, and then I'm going to wake up and take it off, get a little oil, and use that to fluff and separate my hair. That just helps to create a seal on the definition so it doesn't create a lot of frizz. And I'm pulling it downwards. As you can see, the shape is coming back, and just continue to go downwards each section, making it lay more flat instead of sticking up, and then fluffing and moving the bang into shape where I want it to be, and moving it until it starts to settle into place. And this is how we make our wash and goes last over 5 days up until a week.